Schools are special places. It's where we educate our children and centers for community. It's where we pass on the values to our future generations, our children and our children's children. My name is Bill Orr. I'm the Executive Director of the Collaborative for High Performance Schools. The mission of CHIPS is to make schools a better place to learn. The three priorities of the Collaborative for High Performance Schools is first and foremost to build a healthy and productive learning environment. Second, to conserve energy, water, and other natural resources and therefore reduce operating costs. And third, to minimize the environmental impact of the school.
I think CHIPS is a great program for promoting high-performance schools and helping design teams in schools, evaluate how they're doing with that goal.
People should get involved with CHIPS because we provide a variety of resource materials, trainings, and webinars, everything you could need to build, maintain, and operate a high-performance school.
It's been our policy over the last few years to conduct a CHIPS scorecard for every project. We design every project to be as sustainable as possible and use the CHIPS scorecard as a method to sort of benchmark that and measure our success in that goal.
The CHIPS program requires us to have a commissioning agent in place to test these things and to have the handoff material that comes to the school districts in a manner that our technicians can use it to maintain the school. I think that's an important piece.
A high-performance school is a healthy and productive learning environment. High-performance schools also reduce the operating costs of a school over the life of that school, and that can result in lower utility bills and freeing up money for teachers and other programmatic activities that really are what schools are all about.
The first step is really to design a high-performance, low-energy building envelope and building systems. All those systems being designed to use as little energy as possible.
Part of that CHIPS program and that commissioning is to make sure that everything is operating at its peak efficiency, because we're building something that's going to be here for decades, to come.
The CHIPS criteria currently covers 11 states. It really provides a framework to help the school district, to help the design professionals, to help the parents in the community know that they really have a high-performance school. Modernizations of schools are really the next forefront of high-performance schools, and CHIPS has worked to develop an approach that makes sense for modernizations. There are many opportunities to make existing schools high-performance.
The design of high-performance schools is important to me. It's always been something I've been interested in. From when I first started studying architecture, I was always interested in sustainable design and green design. And I've become a father and I have 2 kids now, and just thinking about the future and what we pass on to our kids.
CHIPS is an excellent program in many ways for us. I think it'll be so exciting for those young people to be able to say, "Oh yeah, I was a part of that. That was on my campus."
The Collaborative for High Performance Schools really represents a movement, really the bringing together of communities, design professionals, utilities, architects, everyone that can share a common interest about having healthy schools for a healthy planet.